Hi, my name is Anna Luneva, and today I will show you the technique of gel nail extension. We start with the treatment of hands with a disinfectant, and next is the preparation for the extension, which includes manicure and grinding of the nail plate. Next, we treat the nail plate using nail prep. This is an important step that should not be missed. And the preparation also includes the application of a dehydrator and bond control. The bond control exposure time 1 minute. Now we need to apply a base layer for high quality adhesion, and I will use strong iron gel clear. It is a hard gel in a bottle. It should be applied in a thin layer, massaging movements, and dry for 1 minute. Look, it is the gel nail tips PNB, and we need to choose tip by size. It should cover the nail plate without pressing. To stick tips, we can use elastic base or hard gels like strong iron gel. I will use strong iron gel. It is a hard gel in a bottle. It can be used both for nail extension in different techniques and instead of the base to strengthen nails. We apply gel on the inner side of the tips and press it on the nail and let it dry, like that for 20-30 seconds. Then we stop holding client nail and let it dry for 2 more minutes. After that, we need to remove the sticky layer. The next step is to smooth out the transition from the tip to the nail using nail drill. Now I grinding the tip using the file, and the first stage is over. Now we have to choose what we will cover the tip with. I remove the dust, and now I need to correct the shape of nail. I will use a strong iron gel, pink diamond color. It is this hard gel in a bottle. It can be used both for nail extension in different techniques and instead of the base to strengthen nails. I apply a thin layer gel. Don't dry. And after then I apply a modeling layer. And we will dry 2 minutes. Now I remove the sticky layer, and we need to correct the shape and architecture of the nail. I use the file. The last step is to apply the top coat. The extension is ready. Enjoy!